Have to go outside. Oh man. Double day. Again? Sheesh. Oh shoot. Yeah. Oh my god, for real? Dang. This was not like this, man. Oh shoot. It is freaking windy here. I'm just gonna like put that right here and hope for the best. Oh shoot. Dang. It is so windy out here, y'all. Sheesh. Y'all, it was not like this an hour ago. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness, bruh. Oh Lord. Here. Oh shoot. It is so windy out here. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. Oh shoot. Dang. That is right. Sheesh. Y'all see my hair? Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. So windy. Dang, y'all see the birds? Oh my goodness. Dang. Oh. Y'all, that's a bunch of birds. Sheesh. I think they're trying to think out of something. I don't know. Dang. Y'all see all those birds? Sheesh. Sheesh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Dang. Those birds are freaking out, y'all. Oh my goodness. Shoot. Y'all see all those birds? Sheesh. On. Look in, see all those birds.
Oh, wow.
Oh man!
I bet it's hard for them when a gust of wind comes up.
Wow! Oh, that's a bunch. Y'all, this chair was right here. Now it's like over here. There's all the shingles. Oh man. All right, y'all. We got the chairs. We got the chair right here. We got the cushions right here. We got the pillows underneath. We got these over here. Wow. Yeah, y'all. That chair was right there. And the wind moved it like over here. Mmm. They both look so good. Careful with top, bro.
It's not too hot, but it's hot. When you cut into it, bite into it, that's when you gotta watch out. Look at that sweet potato! We're gonna add a little bit of here.
I think she does.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of half and half.
Mmm. Half and half.
And a little bit of cinnamon.
Inception.
Yeah.
Mmm. I can smell this now.
Nice hat, Daisy.
And then a very small bit. Well, you gotta
Of
wait.
2 hours later.
Just to sweeten it up a little baby bit.
Mmm. That looks good.
It's just potato hamburger casserole
Mmm.
with a little bit of TLC.
TM
Some
works? No, I'm
cinnamon
playing.
and honey sweet potato, mashed potatoes. Want to try them out?
Sure.
Let's give them a try, Daisy. You want to try too?
Uh-oh.
Hold on. Where is the half and half?
Right over here.
Excuse me.
I hear you, Daisy. Wow. The color is changing a lot.
Just a little bite because it's kind of warm.
Mmm. You want to try it too, Daisy? Is it good? Mmm.
You like that? Okay. Why don't you get your...
Mmm. No. Ooh, yum.
Cameo, you're recording yourself food.
That is good. Hey, 10 on that. On that sweet potato. This casserole,
Quit.
this casserole stuff is bomb.